Hey, how you doing? Yeah, I'm just picking up a new tool from Harbor Freight. Now I know it's just a Harbor Freight, but it's going to save me a little bit of work. Okay, what I do here is I take the known box and looks like this here. What we're getting. Take a look. There's the pump. Okay. Doesn't look like much now except the heavy box, right? There's the legs. Okay. And this is the 12-ton shop press. And we're going to be putting it together. All right. Hey, how you doing? This is the Harbor Freight 12-ton shop press. It looks to be pretty decent, you know, sturdy for what I need. I'm not going to be doing too much. I'm just going to be pressing a couple sleeves in and out of that transmission. I got another one laying over there to my Ford. Redoing the sleeves. And picked this up for around $100 with the coupon from Harbor Freight. And you know, you got your jack handle, and the way it works is you just jack here and it moves there, it moves up and down. And then to release it, just turn counterclockwise and she goes right back up. Okay, and you tighten her back up. And I made a little loop for my handle because I can never find my handles again. But there you go. Here, we'll see if we can get a better look at it. She seems pretty sturdy. You know, for what it is, for $100. I don't think I did bad. Anyway, I'll let you know how it works and you'll see it around in some projects. Thanks a lot for watching. Crash Man out. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, like, subscribe, whatever you want to do.